Hello Year 2, welcome to week 2 of your new literacy home learning. The book that we are going to be looking at this week is called Claude in the City, and it's by Alex T. Smith. Now you might have read a book about Claude before. There's a few books about Claude, so if you have read about him before, you might know a bit about him. He's a dog and he likes to wear a beret and he likes to go on adventures. If you haven't read a Claude book before, don't worry, you can still do this work. You don't have to read the book. I'm going to show you one page from the book and read it to you, and you can also see this work on the school website under Year 2, and you can also find this work in the Yarra Class Home Learning folder on Purple Mash. So, this is the first page we're going to look at. I'll read it for you. As soon as the door closed behind them, Claude opens both beady eyes. He takes his beret out from underneath his pillow and pops it on his head. Then he decides what adventure he's going to have that day. There's all these exciting pictures in his mind that he's imagining of his adventure. So we've got 5 lovely activities for you to have a go at, one for each day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So day 1 is called Explore It. So if you have a look at the document on the website or on Purple Mash, there's lots of questions about what you think about the book. So you don't have to have read the whole book. You just have to see what you think about it when you're looking at the front cover, the page that I just read you, and using your knowledge of other books that you've read before. So you might be able to make a bit of a prediction about what you think might happen. So have a look at the questions for day 1. Day 2 is called Illustrate It. And if you've been doing some work this week on how to find treasure, you'll know that there's a drawing activity. So you could have a go at day 2's drawing activity, and you could actually label your drawing as well. The activity asks you to do your own version of Claude, but you could label it and tell me, you could describe Claude. What does he look like? Maybe using some adjectives, some describing words. So he might have a red beret on, or a fluffy scarf. I don't know, it's up to you. You can label him. Now day 3 is a kind of talking activity. So it's about you talking, what do you think? Again, maybe making some predictions and thinking about real dogs in real life and story dogs. Now day 4 is Imagine It. And it's about you imagining what kind of adventure Claude might go on. Now, you might not have the book at home, so you're going to have to think about what adventure might he go on. You don't need to get the answer right. I just want you to imagine your own adventure for Claude the dog. And day 5 is called Create It. And you're going to create a set of pictures with no writing on them that someone could use to tell a story. So have a look at the activities on the sheet on the website or on Purple Mash. And you need to upload this week the writing activity. So you need to upload day 4 for me, which is the Imagine It, where you're going to write an adventure that Claude might go on, or draw, it says. So you could do a kind of comic strip where you draw and write. So you need to upload that activity, and you can choose one other activity to upload for me to mark on Purple Mash. I hope you have fun with it. Please let me know if you have any questions, or if you're not sure what to do, or if you don't have any paper or anything at home to do any work on, please let me know. Remember, parents, this is for you guys as well, you don't need to print off any worksheets. Any work that your children do can be done on paper, and you could just send us photos of it. So again, please let me know if you have any questions or any difficulties at all, and I look forward to seeing your work. Okay, bye bye.